Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we'll look at building data models. So we need to create a model for any resources that we want to interact with within our database. So we need to create a new folder inside our root directory. So inside our root directory, we will create a new folder and we will name it as models. Okay, and inside models, we will create a new file with the name user.js. Okay, so please keep the first letter capital. So U is capital and the file name is also singular. So it's not users.js, it is user.js. So we have user model and not a users model. Okay, so this is convention and let's hit enter. Now in user.js, we need to use what's referred to as a schema. This schema simply defines the different fields within the models. So first we need to pull the mongoose. So we need to define a variable const mongoose that is equal to require, and here we need to pull mongoose. Okay. Now we will create a variable with the name user schema and set it to a new instance. So new and then mongoose dot schema and open and close parentheses, and inside we will have an object, and here we can define the fields that we want to store. So the first one is name. Okay, that is going to be have type of string. Okay, and require, that is going to be true. It's required. Okay, not required. So this name property is having this attributes. And now the second one is email. Okay, that is also having type of string, and then require is true, and then we need to have a unique email ID. So unique, that is going to be true. Okay, then we have the third field, which is password. Okay, and the type is again string and require is true. So here it is required and not required. Okay, so my mistake. So it should be required, and then we can export this user schema so it will be available throughout the application. Okay, so here I'll do module dot exports, that is equal to user. Okay, and that is again equal to mongoose dot model. So in mongoose.model, okay, inside mongoose.model, we have two parameters. So the first one is the name. So the name will be user, and the second parameter will be the schema name. So in our case, it is user schema. Okay. Let me save this file. Now let's run the application. So control and backtick key. Okay. So the server is started on port 5000 and MongoDB is connected successfully. Okay, so we have successfully created the user model, and this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.